Hey, how's it going? It's me, Dallas. Hope y'all doing well. That was egg drop soup, and it is amazing, of course. Want to introduce you guys to a couple characters real quick. This right here is my friend Duh, spelled D-A, Duh. How's it going, Duh? See Duh? Hi, Duh. Hi. Good. And then here is my other friend, Pan. Say hi, Pan. Hi. So you got my two friends, Duh and Pan, and they're helpful here in the kids ministry, and I like them. They're kind of cool looking. They're pandas, as you can tell. And so yeah, I just want to share those guys with you guys. So I have this thing about pandas. Maybe I'll do a vlog about it one day. I don't know. I want to share something with you guys, something real quick that I thought was really cool. All right. So I'm reading in John, right? John chapter 6. And I hit like right about verse 15. Now Jesus just finished feeding 5,000 people, or was it 5,000 people? Anyways, he just finished feeding all these people, and he looks around and he realizes that, oh snap, they're about to take me by force and make me king. And so he kind of just disappears in the background and goes up and prays or something. Doesn't really specify what he does, but he disappears. Well, the Bible says then that his disciples, they just sort of left him. They kind of just took a boat and out the shore, out to sea, and it said it was dark and like Jesus is not showing up for him yet. So I'm sort of thinking about it. I was like, wait. These guys just left Jesus on the boat. Now they know he doesn't have a boat. They know he came with them. He rode with them to this party. What? I mean, they just left him there on the side of the shore. I was like, okay, whatever. So I keep reading, and also they hit the storm, and they're freaking out. And then to make things even crazier, they look out and they see this ghost walking across water, and they realize, and they're just freaking out. And all of a sudden they hear Jesus say, "Hey, it's just me. Don't worry, guys. Just me, Jesus, walking on water here." And all of a sudden they're chilled, and they happily walking him back on the boat. And all of a sudden when they got there, immediately they hit shore and they were cool. So here's my question to you. If they had waited for Jesus to get on the boat with them before they left, would they have hit that storm? I don't know. Just a thought. Oh well, have a nice day.